Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel.
Today, I will take you on a quick hotel room tour in City of Dreams, Manila. So this is what it looks like when you enter the room, and we have a bathroom on our right, and this is what the bathroom looks like. Quick closet tour. We have bathrobes and some space for our bags. There's a small hallway going to the bed. There's a big mirror on my left, and we have 2 double beds, and this is pretty much it. We have a coffee table, a TV, and we got some water and some snacks. We also got some coffee, tea, mugs, and some plates on the drawer below, and an electric kettle. We got a mini fridge on the side and some free drinks.
Kasama ko sila. Hi! Salamat sa sponsor. Thank you po. Aray ko.
We're gonna have a dinner with our friends later, and I will show you how I get ready. So first I put on my foundation and then my eyebrows, and then this is me showing my makeup bags. Then I'll go straight to my eyeshadow. And here's my face reading a text notification. Now let's go back to the eyes. When I'm happy with my eyes, I go straight to my nose. I highlight the tip of my nose, and this will give you an illusion that you just got a plastic surgery. Now I will do my eyeshadow, and what I do is I put a dark shade on the outer corner of my eye, and this will give a subtle eyeliner effect. When I'm happy with how it looks, I go straight to the bottom of my eye and put the same eyeshadow. It will give the same subtle eyeliner effect. Then I'll prepare my lashes for mascara. I'll curl them and put mascara on. I'll do a quick check and then put some blush on. I'll do some light contour on my nose and on my cheeks and on my neck. And then I will go ahead and put some lipstick on and some lip gloss. This is like my favorite part of the makeup routine, second to the foundation. So I'm now checking if I'm happy with how I look, and I think I'm happy. Now we're heading to the restaurant in BGC for our dinner.
Hi guys! So magdi-dinner kami. Maan. Naantay pa natin yung iba dito. At wala kaming reservation kasi nakalimutan ko tumawag. Kina-check pa nila kung may table.
So this is the restaurant, and this is in Forbstown. It looks so Christmassy. So pretty.
Marami na ibang investment.
Easier or after?
Ang so kasi yung ano?
Order all three.
Nakapunta na pala ako.
One glass of frosting.
Thank you.
I think this one.
Later ba?
Sa City of Dreams ka next day ngayon? Itong bukas?
Hatid mo kami. Sige na.
Paso ako bukas?
Hindi, hatid mo lang kami.
Saan ako ba?
Sige, balik ka na sa bahay mo pagkatapos. Sige, after hatid mo lang kami. Turo ko sa'yo. Malapit lang dito yun. Tapos balik ka na lang sa bahay. Hatid mo kami. Di ba?
Sige ko eh.
Okay lang yun. Ganun. May libre pa lang pandesal. Wow. Ayan naman pala. Hi! Hi!
Hi.
Hi! Pogi talaga to. Ang sarap ng tinapay nila, kaya pala ganun yung presyo.
Parang ginat-ngat ah.
Hindi, kinagat ko nga eh. And look at my food. Ayun, sardinas.
Dami mo followers dito.
Ulitin mo yun.
Okay na.
Ulitin mo yung sinabi mo.
Yung Tagalog ng risotto, lugaw. Pakita mo yung lugaw.
Anong pinagkaiba ng lugaw, arroz caldo at saka congee?
Konti pa ba rin?
May game show dito.
Congee yung mahal.
Arroz caldo is may chicken.
Tambay sa lugawan. Ilang papunta ko yan.
Nakapagpapakinuha ng passport.
Sa QC kasi to.
Ako, umay na ako sa BLOGMAS.
Lugaw, sarap. Kulang na ito.
Yung malagkit rice. Ano English doon? Sticky rice. Sarap. Thank you, Lan!
Kanila? Ano yan? Gagawin natin.
Rice sa lalo. Yes! Parang 3 years.
Legit nga.
Tinitingnan ako.
Hello!
We're heading to Starbucks for a quick coffee time before we go home. Update, it wasn't quick. So this is me and Maan back in our hotel room, and we're on a video call with Crystal because she couldn't come tonight. Got some time for a swim. So this is me looking like a billionaire's wife.